Hi, hello, how are you doing? How have you been? It's another day with Web NG Graphics. Today I'll be putting us through the template, what Pixellab is all about, the images, the signs, the symbols, what it stands for. So we'll start by opening our Pixellab application on our phone. Let's wait for it to open here. So this is the last work I did. That's right, sorry. So these down parts that we are seeing, they are the templates. So just pick anyone you want. You can choose from the default. That's the template. The first one that you are seeing, my projects, those are the saved projects, works you've done that you decide to save on the app in case maybe for another time. So here you see the alphabets. A, it's talking about text. What if you want to write any text, once you pick it comes out. You want to edit the text now, you see. If I want to edit, I just click edit, see, and I start typing whatever I want on it. That's all. If you want to delete it, copy. Yeah, that is maybe if you have like two texts. You want one to be at the back, the other at the front. So you have the two fronts. That is sending it to the front, or you want to send it to the back. The position where you want the text to be, maybe you want to shift it, instead of using your hand to be shifting around and just be using the arrow key. This one is to the right, this is to the left, to down part and to the upper part of the image. If you want it to move faster, this one is at 6, you see. You want it to be at the lowest one, you see, to be shifting little by little. That's it. So we have the relative position, is it means at the center, this one to the down part, or you want to return it to the upper part. This one is to the left, to the right, this to the left, upper left. As you can see, once you are done, just use the mark button. The size, you want to pad like this text, you want that letter C to show very well. This is the left padding, you see that end shows more. If you want to reduce it, you see. So if it is for the right, you see, that's for it. The texture, the color, any color that you want, or if you want it to be ingredients, that's it. Yeah, you have the texture. If you want the image to have a particular texture that you want, once you click on the texture, you see the image side, click on the image to open your file. So anyhow, okay, let me pick this. You see, it's the image that I clicked that gave it those texture. We do not change the color or anything. That's just it. We have the opacity, that is how high you want it to be. If you want it to be faint, or you want it to show very well. Mask. This mask is usually for you to get, maybe you want to cut out of it. You see, maybe I want to cut a little part of this text somehow. See, once I enable it, you see that, you see my name, it's not that a few parts has been cut off. So that's it. Once I off it, I have my normal text, the font, that is any font you want. This we have the ones that comes with the app. All these ones comes with the app. You can also download and have it. These ones are the fonts I downloaded and saved on the app. That's all. Then the style of your text, you want it bold, in italics, underlined, or anyhow. That's what this letter B showing. If you want to curve your text, curving out, curving in, as for that. Then if you want your text to have the background, that's it. Any color you want it to have, you see, anyhow you want it. Align, if you are used to it, typing documents on our phones or even on system, you see, aligning it anyhow you want it. The spacing of the text, letter spacing with the word that you want there, that's it. The line, stroke, if you want to have stroke to it, you see, anyhow. Shadow, if you want your text or anything to have shadow, you see. So if you don't want the shadow to be much, you see, I'm reducing the shadow opacity. And if you want the shadow to be blue, anyhow you want it. Scroll down, perspective, so you want to have anyhow. Sorry, you see, it's the perspective here that I used. So that's all. 3D effect, we have the shadow reflection, anyhow you want. That is about the text. Okay, the next one, we have your stickers, imports, draw shapes, any shape you want. So you want to, this bezier is used to, what is it called, to get your desired shape. Use it to get your desired shape that you want. We have the arrow, so it's just a symbol, and so on and so forth. This one, you see, you want your background to be transparent, like you want it to be like in a clear PNG form. That's it. The color, if you want to add color to your background, anyhow you want it. The image size, the size of our image. This custom size 1:18, 1:1, fixed. Custom square and custom size are the same. Say our profile picture, if it is for profile picture, you need it for. If it's YouTube, you see that our templates size has changed. So any size you want, you can type the size that you want, anyhow you want it. That's it. So you have the image. If you want to crop, you want to select from your gallery, anything you choose from there. So to the upper part, this symbol is just whatever we've chosen that we are doing. Let's say you let me add shapes. The shapes, I want the corner to be like this. So the radius, let's say we just let's say we had it like this. So going here, you see, just to see what you've done, the highlight of what you've done. This is a table. If you want, maybe you are trying to put something in between. Let's say this thing is here and I want it to be accurate. I'll just use my table to shift it in, so that everything will be normal. You see, so they are equal. If I don't need it again, you want to increase it, make it more bold. Instead of you using your hand, you want to delete, you want to go back to, maybe you realize you've done a mistake, you want to go back, just click here to go. If you want to delete, you delete. So here is more or less like what we have here from gallery. If you want it to be on full screen and not this small one, you see, on our screen, that's the only thing we have on our screen. So the back face. What else? Okay, if you want to take camera picture, you want to use something, maybe your design, you want it to be the picture you are trying to take is from. If you want to export image, that's like saving the image. That after finishing your designing, we've talked about the image size. If you have anything to report, tutorials on what the Pixellab is all about. That's if you are getting some irritating ads. So this recover autosave. Let's say I've left here, I've done everything I now remember that I need something that I make a mistake, or I made a mistake, or you thought you've deleted it and that file is important. Instead of you starting again, just go to auto recover. You see that I deleted something now. Let's say if I should click on this now, you see that is what recover is for. Say, you see what I've deleted in the past. Let's say if I'll say something I did before. Okay, you see the first thing I deleted when I was entering the app, when I was logging into the app. So that is for that one. This quotation sign is for quotes. We have different quotes on the app, motivational quotes, anything. If it is friendships quotes, instead of you cramming or writing down so that you can write it, just pick it from there and you are done. If it is if it is in French, pick French. If it is in English, whatever you want. This one is for sharing, saving. If you are done with your work and you want to save it, that's it. So here also we have save as project, save as image. If I'm saving this as a project, maybe I'm done with it. I don't just want to leave it like that, so that anytime I need it again, I'll easily get back to it. Just click on save as project, write the name you want for it, let's say XXY or YZ, something the same. Saving done. But if you want to download the image, once you are done with the image, once you are done with the image, the format must always be in PNG. Remember, don't make a mistake. And this dimension, change the dimension to ultra, then now save to gallery. Let's wait for it to save. It has been saved to our gallery, and that's all. The plus sign is part of what has already been highlighted at the down part or the other upper part anyhow. So if you want to add the current date to your text, or you want to change it, instead of you writing the date yourself, 4/7 and so on, so just choose it from the space, the shape, any shape from. If you want to draw, maybe you want to do the free drawing diagram yourself, you see. Okay, let me change the color so that we can see it. See, as for the drawing. So if you don't need it, you press cancel. Again. So I think that's all. See that we were somewhere there before. So I now come to the down part. Click like the webs, something, everything, the circle, like your sets. Yes, in mathematics, this diagrams. So the saved projects. These are the projects I've done that has been saved. So anytime I need it, if you don't need it again, just press delete. It's off. That's all. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.